A very good morning to you all and welcome to this tutorial video. So as you all know, we all are fighting against an infectious disease which is caused by a virus, a newly discovered virus, coronavirus. So at present there are no vaccine or treatment for this disease. So the best way to prevent ourselves from this disease is self-isolation or social distancing. So by taking some small step, you can save yourself and others also by this infectious disease. So coming back to the chapter. So class 6 students, as you all are a little bit new for this geography because this was not there in class 5, it is newly introduced to you. So we will start with introducing you this geography subject, and afterwards we will start the first chapter. So I will tell you about the important points in this chapter, or you can say the important topics which we are going to cover in this chapter. So the name of the chapter, the first chapter, is map reading. So what we are going to read in this, what we are going to learn in this is we will learn about globe, we will learn about maps, we will learn about importance of maps, we will learn about different types of maps, we will learn about sketches, we will learn about plan maps. So these things we are going to learn. So let's start the chapter. So here we are again. So map reading is the first chapter. So class 6 student, the first chapter for you is map reading. So map reading, before we start this map reading chapter, the question which is very common for you all, that is what is geography, because this geography subject was not there when you were in class 5. So it is newly introduced to you. So geography, the word geography means what? So geography, if we split this geography word into two parts, we will get these two words. Both the words are Greek words. One is geo and one is graphy. So the meaning of these two words is what? Geo means earth, graphy means to describe. So if we combine both the words, what we will get? Geography is what? It is the description of earth. It is the description of earth. So this is what geography is. So we read about different things in that. We read about different landforms, rivers, like different terrains like plateaus, mountains. So many things we read in this. We read about different layers. We read about different types of planet also. We read about different types of soil. We read about different types of climate. So many things are included in this geography subject. It is a very interesting subject also. So okay, so get back to the chapter. So map reading. So as you all know, we are living in an unique planet, the unique planet which is Earth. So why it is a unique planet? You know why Earth is called as unique planet? It is an unique planet because it is the only place, it is the only place in the universe which is confirmed to host life. As far as we are knowing, Earth is the only planet where life is there. So what we are reading in geography, as we have started this whole concept, we have started with what is geography, and after that when we have started we got it is the description of Earth. So what we need to study in this, we need to study about what is there in the Earth, what is there in this planet. So as you all know that Earth is very large, so we cannot see the whole Earth. So it is a very difficult to understand different features at the same time. It is very difficult to understand the features at the same time. So what we used to do, so we use some model, because we cannot see the whole Earth. So what we have done, we have created a model, a spherical model of Earth, a spherical model of the Earth, which is called as what? Which is called as globe. So globe is what? It is a spherical model of Earth. It is a spherical model of Earth. So this is what globe is. So globe, it is used to study the various aspects of Earth. So this is what we use globe. Many of you have seen globe. So it is a sphere like structure, like a ball. So okay, so as you can see, globe is like that. Many of you have seen globe. So globe. So it is the only accurate way to showing the three-dimensional model of the Earth. So what is this three-dimensional model? 3D model. You all know about 3D model. So 3D model means what? When you can see the three dimension of a particular thing. Like suppose I am holding this ball. So if I turn this ball, if I rotate this ball, I can see all the parts of this ball. Okay, so this is the three-dimensional view. So suppose if this is globe, so you can see it is a spherical shape in which if we will print a map, if we will paste a map, we can easily identify where the different continents, different oceans are situated. So it is very helpful. So globe is just like this ball. It is a miniature model of Earth. So just like this ball, globe is also there. It represents the relative shapes and size of the continent, countries and oceans. So this is how a globe look like. So globe is very helpful. Globe is very helpful, but globe is having some limitations also. Globe is helpful, but they are having some limitations like what? Limitation is that when we want to study Earth as a whole, means when we want to study as a whole Earth we have to study, then it is useful. But when we want to study only a part of Earth, as about our country, state, districts, towns, villages, so that time this globe doesn't work, because it is having a very small area in which whenever you have seen a globe, you will see that it only shows different continents, different countries. You will never find your city, like you will never find Gorakhpur in that globe. You'll never find a small area in that globe, because it is very difficult to show these small areas, villages in that globe. So at that case, what we have to do? At that case, when globe is there with you, but you have to find out the different districts and villages, what you will do at that time? It is very helpful in such situation, a two-dimensional representation, a drawing of the earth's surface according to a scale. So what we used, what is that thing? So it is a map. A map is a representation of earth. So map is what? It is a representation of earth, or a portion of earth drawn to scale on a flat surface. So map is always drawn in a flat surface, and this is one of the visual aids of learning and an important tool for geographers. So geographers, they always carry a map with them, because always carry this big globe is very difficult, or you can say it is impossible to carry a globe every time. So what they used to carry, they carry map with them. So this is a representation of earth, and it is very useful for various purposes. So on a map you can show some small areas, few facts if you want to show. And let me show you how a map look like. So you can see I am having this map with me. This is map of India. So you can see a lot of small things are given here. So you can easily find out Gorakhpur in this. As you can see here, Gorakhpur is there. So lot of small boundaries, districts, villages, so many things you can easily find out. And it is having a proper scale also. So you can know, you can easily identify the length, the kilometers, centimeters, kilometers, whatever scale you want to find out, that you can find out easily. So that is what a map look like. So that is what a map and a globe. So now we have read about globe and map. These are the two ways by which we can understand, we can learn about the different features of Earth. So that's all for this today's tutorial. One assignment I am going to give you. You have to find out three different what advantages and three different disadvantages of globe and map. Three advantages and disadvantages of map you will find out. So in next video we will read about more map, the different types of map, different types of map. In that we will read about political map, thematical map, physical map. So this things we read in the next video. So till now that's all for today. If you have any questions, if you have any doubts, you can send it through the application, the Campus Care application. So till now, a good day, and stay healthy, stay safe, stay in your home. Thank you and thanks for watching.